It looks good on my end. Looks good on my end, but alright. Uh, Audio input. I don't think I need that right now. I'm looking at OBS real quick. Alright, so I'm cool. I'm cool. I'm cool. Trading for the trappers. We're here. Oh, I need a different setup. It's cool though, gang. We gonna get to it. So let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on with the markets, man. All right. Let me let me zoom out to a bigger time frame. Got my ski mask on. Came to rob the banks today. You heard? All of this stuff. Price action looking a little choppy, but yeah, definitely looking a little choppy. I might have missed the move I really wanted. I was looking for sales, but I didn't get a break of London high. London high. So it's cool. They might want to go take out Asian lows. I feel like that was my move though. It's still for me. It's still technically early, but this was definitely my move right here. I was setting up my stream and everything, but probably would have did that high. Even aiming at the New York, the London lows, it was at 80 pips. The Asian lows 120 pips. It's a profit right now. But let's wait and see. Let's wait. Let's be patient. We got these zones marked off. Look like they're going to do a draw liquidity right here. That was look most likely the move because it's still been in a strong downtrend. But that doesn't mean we won't be able to get back in. I just didn't get what I was looking for. I was looking for this high to get broken, but it did give us a double top with a breaker structure here, and then all of these retests here came down and then gave you another opportunity. Let's see how they treat this low. See how they treat this London low. I did check if there was news today. Oh, there's CPI news for GBP USD. There was 8:30 news for GBP USD. I was about to say that's not on filter. Okay, Great Britain over because no major news today though. 10 a.m. is the next folder, and that's just FOMC member Cash Card speaks. Oof, look at that runner. I'm being patient though. See how Asian session they consolidated a little bit, came down, touched this zone, liquidated here, draw liquidity with this move, set this zone here, took that liquidity out, and this came back down to take this low out, and then shot up for eight, like just straight shot up. All right, what we looking for? Um, mm, mm, mm. Oh man, my shit is tweaking. Uh-uh. All right, cool. I don't know why, but yeah. We definitely want to get up out of this zone. They got the all-time high back here. Got money up here. I think they want to liquidate these lows and then go and take double tops are a good draw on liquidity. Oh yeah. I think they want to liquidate these lows and maybe go push up, but we'll see. Uh, my bias right now, overall though, I was in the downtrend bias. I was in the bearish bias. Depending on where this closes though, as we can see, high here, drop, create a low, lower high, lower low. Oh my god, I always do that. Top here, low, lower, high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, higher high. I mean higher low, higher high, higher low, and this is where I'm stuck. So not stuck, but this is where I see the market trying to decide what it's gonna do. All right, but we can see the strong pull to the downside. Look at this strong bearish momentum. I don't think that that is like a fake out or anything. That's the direction that I originally wanted it to go in, but at this point I want to see how it's going to react right here. I think it's going to take out these Asian lows. Ooh, I was setting up my stream, man. I should have just got in. I ain't tripping though. That's cool. It's whatever. Should have got in. Can I get that ting? Yes, sir. Just cleared out the London lows, so they liquidated. So now if they do want to go back up, I mean, I don't even think that is the London low. No, it's not. That's the real London low right there. Oh gosh, come on, give me some love. There we go. I would wait for a retest of this. Retest of the structure, but okay. All right. I got a ringing headache, man. I hate headaches. So they liquidated here. Let's see how they react. We got the Asian low here and the real London low here. Let's go to a higher time. They are not. Oh, that's a close. Yeah, they are definitely not. That shit is not going up. Not right now, at least. Ooh, that was my move. I should have took it. See, that's why you gotta. This is why you have to practice until it becomes second nature, like brushing your teeth. Because I could have took that trade, but I wasn't. I didn't get to my computer in enough time, and I didn't want to take it from my phone, just from looking at my phone. I had my bias. I was waiting for the sell. I seen this happening. Seen this whole thing happening. I could have took it here, but again, I was waiting for this to get hit. So one of my confirmations didn't activate yet. Yeah, this should have been my move right here. No lie. But let's be patient and see what happens. Higher time frame, it is not looking like price wants to go back up. That is a strong engulfing candle breaking below this whole entire movement. If anything, I'm waiting for a retest. And they could go and want to clear all of this up. Oh, it's all money down here. Really, it's all money down here. I think they're about to go violate game. Alright, well they hit the true London low. This low here, they definitely liquidated and got their money. Let's see what they do with Asia's low. I missed this first trade. It's up 100 pips right now. Damn, that was a. Oh man, gang. That was my trade right there, yeah. I'm going to get my coffee after this, man. We still gonna have a good day, man. You know, my goal is to feel good right now, always. All right, we got some. This was a very small area of demand. Damn, I got a crazy headache, yeah. I don't see price like just shooting back up. It could, but I really it's already showing downtrend, and it's like the momentum is to the downside. I don't really think I should be looking for buys. I'm not seeing where I should be looking for buys at. Besides here, where the price is now, this 315 area. If I don't get a break of that, then cool. Scale down a little bit. Alright. Damn, I got a crazy headache. Patience. What are we doing? We going back to the upside? On a smaller time frame, I can see it. On a higher time frame, with this huge engulfing candle that broke below this last low area here, this technically broke the structure to me. It should have went low, higher high, higher low, higher high if it was going to continue in an uptrend, but I'm not seeing that. Sometimes I just gotta flat everything out. Where do I see price going? Shit, honestly, to the downside. I'm not gonna lie. Break, reject, 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 reject. I'm not seeing the buy. Let me know what y'all think, man. Let me know what y'all think. I don't see the buy though. I just really don't see it. Nah, we took out eight. We took out London low. We liquidated London low, kept Asia low. Is that enough to justify the buy for us? Or does it want to keep on selling off? We don't have any news or anything like that. We got this close above right here on a smaller time frame. I feel like even if I got in for the buy, I don't know. I don't know. All right, well they liquidated, so it's 10:09 right now. Let's see if we can get a move here. I'm thinking about getting in for the buy. I don't see it, so why am I thinking about getting in for it?
Where do I see the sell? I mean, the sell could be. I would wait for the sell, like kinda in this area, 320 area, but I see we got some reaction. So if I do go for the buy, if I do go for the buy, I will go in for the buy, hit like around here. I'm not gonna lie. I could do this right here. This might be a okay move. And then target what? These highs. I could go with that, right? Let's see. Let me just see how it operates. But this is something I'm thinking about, like taking right now. I'll go with that. I'm waiting for some confirmation. All right, so London lows got taken out. That's one of my confirmations. Sweep on liquidity. We are now creating uh, higher highs and higher lows. Trend lines, I mean, moving averages look like they're about to cross. I got a change or a break, and then I got three touches. Let me see how it reacts here. 40 seconds. I could get in. I just got in. Oh, paper trading be acting crazy. Oh snap! I can't even do it on this account. It's cool. I mean, oh my gosh, crazy. Risking 97 on this to make 336. 332. Now this shit could just leave me and go fucking violate Asia sessions. Yeah, this could just be a light pop up. Do got this little gap it created here, which I could have probably waited for. I could have probably waited for that to. I'm down right now. I'm down right now. I'm gonna be patient though, man. I went in a little heavy on this shit. I'm not gonna lie. I'm dealing with emotions now. I'm not even dealing with anything else. I'm dealing with emotions in terms of controlling my emotions when I trade. I see the play out, but I am still close to Asian lows, so but I didn't get a break and close below this, so they threw a wick, liquidated the money down here, but they might want to just keep going down, bro. I mean, I'm in. Ah, shit, I hate seeing it. The whole thing is screaming sell, and I went in and did a buy, trying to counter trend trade and get these highs because they liquidated these lows. I'm just gonna be patient though, man. I just want some type of push up so I can like walk away, step away, put my. I think they might want to come and feel some of that. I don't know, maybe because they're not just moving out of there. It's 10:16 right now. No news or anything today. Didn't really give me a strong double bottom type vibes yet. Uh, if I wanted to go in for the buy, I should have waited. Should have waited. Should I close and reposition? Uh, I could. I could close and reposition. Not gonna lie, cause I'm not liking this right here. Unless I get a breakthrough that, my head is ringing so bad. Not liking it as much. 13 seconds left though. Let's just see how it plays. I might just go make some coffee. So I got a bullish candle close. I don't know how it's gonna behave. I'm not gonna lie. I'm in for the buy though. I'm not liking it too much. I'm about to just go ahead and put my stop loss in. 14. It's 8. It's 8. Nah, I think I'm about to get out. Still in the. Think they might take me out, but I'm put my 30. Got a crazy fucking headache. Yeah, they're going for those lows, man. 30, 14, 90. Yeah, they about to see me out. Ah, yeah, they about to take me out of there, gang. I don't know. Let's just see, man. They took out Asian London lows. I don't know if they're gonna take out Asian lows, man. We might be in too early, or we might just be done for the trade, like finito. Whatever. Yeah, I think we. That was a good fucking sell, man, from up here. This was the fucking. Yeah, I'm about to get out, man. Yeah, I think we're done for the trade. It's about to hit my stop loss. If this does not break, now look at how it's acting. Oh no, I gotta go get myself some. My head is throbbing so crazy. Yeah, I'm not getting the type of movement I want to see. I'm getting lower lows and lower highs and lower lows and lower highs and lower lows, lower highs and lower lows. I mean, all I can do is just, I guess, sit in the trade now. I already set my stop loss, set my take profit. Let me go make some coffee though, man. I'll be right back. I gotta try and this headache is crazy right now. I can be patient. Don't like where I got in that auto. like I'm about to get stopped out. Yeah, I'm definitely about to get stopped out. Yeah, I'm definitely about to get stopped out, gang. Like this is about to go and collect that money. Trust me. It's cool though. Trade again tomorrow. I was trading on a small account, man. I lost a dub on a small account. It's like I'm being risky on a small account though. Oh, my fucking head, killing me, bro. Migraine status. They're not trying to break this level though, so I'm just watching. I'm just waiting. I'm not liking it. I got it up here, so I'm in drawdown right now. Obviously, very close to my stop loss. I feel like they're just about to rip through the bottom, unless I get a crazy push up. It's like they'll play with you before they hit your stop loss. Just go and just take me out, man. Don't play with my emotions like this. Me seeing this setup this way is telling me like, oh, I have a chance, but in reality, bro, I know when it's this close to the stop loss without like I need this to start happening. Right now it's showing me that. I don't want to see that. Just take me out. I'm about to take myself out. I don't like that. That's it. Yeah, they're going for the major lows. I bought here thinking it was gonna go to the highs because it took out these lows already, but the other lows are right there too, man. So that was the that was the move, man. That was the move. I do want to move my stop loss a little bit because I see it like, but I'm not gonna do that, bro. Fuck, my head is throbbing so bad. Just go hit it, bro. You're right there. Like the fuck. You know you got money under there. What they might usually do is throw a wick, but it's not. Besides these little and here, opening it broke below that, and it retested it to show you like it's not trying to go back up because it would have given me some type of. It would have given me a sign. It would have showed me. So why did I get in this trade then? What made me get into the trade? What made me feel confident enough to take the buy and go against the market as it was showing? Because it's showing so. Is that the push? Is that the push? Oh my gosh, my head is throbbing. Is that the push up? Or is that just a push to get people out before you keep going to the downside? Can I get a break of this level here? Oh, fuck. This hurts so bad. Got like a real migraine. Alright. Shit, I can't. I can barely concentrate. Like I need to with my head hurting like this. Can we go take those highs, please? Or was this just a move to come down and slap those lows? They did, y'all. They moved a lot of money today between Asian, London. Like I said, this right here is what I see as money. I see a lot of money. But I don't know. It's a little bit late. I don't know if they're gonna just go shoot up there for real. Yo, my head. Oh my gosh. My head is throbbing. Shit, bro. My head is throbbing. Like I can't even. I can't even keep my eyes open the way I want to. My head is throbbing. I like this, but I don't like this. I don't like being close to here. I want to get up out of this zone. This could be it retesting to push out. Let's hope so. Or it could also just rip away and hit the lows, hit our stop loss and everything. But patience, I see where I should have been patient. Once I got the pop up, instead of buying here, I should have waited for this little gap and waited for this to close above that gap. Yeah, this would have been the better buy, the less risky buy. If I would have been patient enough for this, fuck my head. Now I'm risking 20 points to make 150. So instead of being in there, I would have been in here, which is a difference in almost 20 pips or 20 points. but we are pushing back into profit now. I'm gonna push this to the back just because I don't want to confuse myself. 10:37 now. Price action still moving up, so that's good. How much is it gonna give us? I'm not completely sure. It can liquidate here, 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 and especially here, but we do gotta wait and see. 5 minute time frame. They left the Asian lows there for a reason. My head is being so ruthless right now to me. Look at this right here. This might be. Damn, bro, my head is just a little bit more patience. So from where I entered to where I would have loved to enter, 30 pips, man. Just be patient. But we are moving right now. Basically at break even, around about break even. Still slight drawdown though. Thinking about if I should cut my losses and move my stop loss. Nah, because this, I like this. I like this structure. You got that, but then you got, and what does that mean? The price is not trying to go below this, at least not right now. Okay, on profit. First liquidation area. Thinking about moving my stop loss up. that a cross? Yes, it is a cross. Damn, beautiful ass W. Wanted an entry in this area. Got too impatient thinking I look, this is how my emotion, this is psychology. And I'm doing these specifically to excuse me. I'm doing these lives to get better as a trader, to document myself, my emotions, my thoughts, my routine, making sure I'm staying on my trading plan, and yeah, documentation purposes, and to also, share with the masses, educate, not teach, to educate, which is educe, pull out of. It's already in you. You already know this stuff. So I'm pulling it out of you, like I'm pulling it out of myself. They just liquidated this high right here. Now I'm going to break even because I really don't like this trade how it's playing out. I'm going to break even 30, 18, 99, 30, 19. Until I get some more movement. Look at that. Look at that. I'll take a small L before yeah, I'll take a small L. So I move my stop loss here. Fuck the way my head is throbbing, bro. It's like this is like abuse. So I need to close above this purple line right here. Mm. I didn't get a close above this purple line yet, so I'm still in a anything can happen kind of mindset. I did get a close above here though, so we could expect another retracement maybe before the push up because the market does move in waves. If it moves, it doesn't just move straight up like that. Sometimes you do get the market moving like that, so we're looking for bullish moves though. We want this high up here to be taken out. And they got a high from last week. Like, there's money up there. There's money up there. We got a reason to go up there. I would have been more like lively and lit on this call, but my head is throbbing. My head throbbing too bad, gang. 3019s. All right, my stop loss is in profit. 30.19.5. Stop loss in profit. We're in profit right now. 50 pips is where I'm taking partials, and then I'm gonna let the rest rock out. But I am getting good bullish. Yo, Chad, the headache that I got. This is wicked. All right, this is where I really wanted to enter. So we would have really been up if I got in here. We would have already hit our 50. Ah, I can't even laugh. All right, we only been here for roughly an hour. Let's see how it plays out though, man. I'm not gonna be in this trade too much longer. Let my 50 get hit. You take some profits off the board, and then from my 50, it's another 80. So 80, not too bad. Yeah, not too bad. Yeah. Man, my head is throbbing so crazy, yo. My head is throbbing so crazy. Not liking how it's coming back down at all. Kid you not. But I mean, like I said, the market has to move like that. Not liking it at all. It's coming so close to my fucking. It's coming so close to my SL, yo. So close, bro. And it closed below. I don't know. That's why I did. I'm cool, bro. Even if I don't leave this trade in profit, I'm cool, bro. I'm not leaving at a loss today. I was in drawdown today. I'm good. I missed the original move that I wanted, which was the sell. That was my bias from the beginning of the day. If I do get back in this for the buy, it'll be down here in this range. They took me out. And I lost 10 fucking cents, bro, because of my stop loss. Do I get back in this for the buy? I do. I do. It's not too late. If I get a close above this, it's 50. Getting back in. Okay. really consider like today break even because the trade commission or the trade fee was for 30 cents. Charges 30 cents. Yeah, I don't see them wanting to go back up right now. That was definitely you get your man, bro. That's the reason they went up to come back down. Once they liquidated, especially right here, look at this. Excuse me. Mm. Now, do I get back in for the buy? Yeah, but only once they cross above this 50 on the Fibs, and then I'll take it there. Let me see how it plays here, though. Cleared all of this up. Never closed below this though. So, and it came all the way to the 76. So, I mean, just being patient, and we'll see. If I get a if I get a good close, getting back in, no hesitation for the buy to go take out those highs. If I don't get a good close, I'm just gonna be patient, take my 30 cent loss. Lost 30 cent. If I get a good close above this 50, I'm not even gonna play around with it for real. 25 seconds left. 17 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. I got it. How do I feel about it? Be patient. I got it, but I don't see it. I don't feel it. Be patient. I could be patient for at least another 1 minute. Cool. I'm starting to see what I want to see. I could be patient for 30 seconds. Yeah. 15 seconds. I'm in. Shit. Stop loss. Mm. What is that? Get that out of my face. I'll take that. That's a real tight stop loss. I think go hit that. That's cool. Sometimes I just. Oh man, my head. It is so difficult to trade with a rocking headache. Early 16. I know I should have waited. I know I should have waited. I know they were just building me up, gang. I knew they was just building me the fuck up, gang. I damn near bought. They they got me today, y'all. They got me today, man. They definitely got me today. I'm still my losses are still small, but fuck, I'm down a lot right now, gang. It's just close the trade, my boy. Like, I'm still in the trade. Just take this on my. Let me see how they react to this, bro. I don't think they want to go back up, bro. They want to go get those Asian lows, bro. There's not enough momentum to the upside, bro. about to just get the fuck out. Everything I made yesterday, man. I'm just sitting here letting this shit kill me, bro. I want to see if it's gonna hit the Asian low and then shoot back up, but not looking like it, bro. Not looking like it. Not looking like it at all. I'm about to just get out, man. That was my fucking move right there, bro. All right, they hit the Asian lows. I'm still in the trade. Should I get out? I'm about to just get out, bro. I swear. Take my L for the day. Big, big fucking boy L knee scrape. I'm on a small account, so it's cool, man. I'm on a small account, but I hate losing. You know what I'm saying? Man, that was my move, bro. 120 fucking pips. I'm getting no pushes a moment. This is not a buyer's market right now. This is not a buyer's market right now. Look, it's been telling you. So it's good to listen to yourself, man. Like if you don't listen to anybody, listen to yourself. I came here with a bias to sell from the downtrend, obviously. It's been in a downtrend. Why would I think that I have enough money to go against the market and buy? Like I have enough money to move the market around. So I'm about to close this fucking trade out, bruh. Yeah, let me just close out of this. Or I could be patient. I'm in drawdown. I could be patient. I can put my stop loss here. If they take me out, they fucking take me out. I can move my stop loss down here. They want to take me out. Let them go ahead and take me out, bro. They already fucked with my emotions. I'm just gonna put my stop loss here, bro. 312.30. And I'm done trading for the day, gang. It's cool. They take me out, bro. It's cool. I think they're about to take me out for sure. What targets would they be going to? I mean, like I said, yo, it's money down here. Like, what the fuck? Yes, they're going down there, bro. They're going to get their money. I don't know. Can we? I didn't take a L yet, but I'm in heavy drawdown on this small account, $60 account. I'm down 50%. So we started off with 53 in the account. We took it to 80 last week. Back down to 30. Back up to 60, and then now in drawdown 50%, like 40% now. So they took out the Asia low here. Look at how they reacted, right? At the Asia low when they took it out. First, it was the London low they took out. Then they took out the Asian low. Excuse me. Look at how it reacted. I don't know. My stop loss is set. I'm just about to set my TP for 50 pips clean from 19 to 25. I'm cool. I'll take profits at that next liquidation spot. All right, yo. I am done pressing buy and sell for the day. We only got two trades in. The first one was a break even trade. We didn't take too crazy of a loss, 40-cent loss. Second trade, we bought up here thinking that we were gonna go and take out these highs. Price dropped one more time, taking out these lows, liquidating these lows, liquidating the Asian low, and now we're starting to shoot up, but we are at a level of resistance, man. So we'll have to see. I could come back. Right now, I'm down $17 versus $30, so could come back here, and my stop loss is just ripped. Like, but it's all right. It's part of the game, man. Wins, loses, wins, losses, and draws. It's part of the game, man. As long as I got money in the account to trade another day, my 50 pips for this current move that I'm in right now is 25 flat. So I'll take that. I'll take that. Look at this. It's an ugly fucking trade. It's an ugly trade. Still in this right now, man. Can't be scared of this shit though, gang. You gotta wake up every day and just get to it. My head is throbbing so crazy. Alright, so this is today's entry on a small account. This is what is currently happening right now. We were down. We were down a little bit. I ain't gonna lie, we were down a little bit, but we're still in drawdown. We're at a resistance level, so depending on what happens at this resistance level will determine what happens with our trade. Resistance because look at this low here. price breaks through that low here, continues to fall, and then it went back up into that zone. So they could just want to test it here, test it once, twice, three times, four times. It's not trying to break above, not trying to go back above yet. All right, so we got to break above. My head is, bruh, can't even believe how wild my head is throbbing like this. This move right here could just be what this move was right here. So like if I see a move like this through this structure, I'm not I'm not looking forward to that. That doesn't make me excited. So I'm saying that to prepare myself if I see that, to prepare my emotions, or even just a bearish candle at this point in time right now. Any bearish candle right now would make me be like, because I'm getting nothing but bullish candles. So that's one bearish candle. See if we can come back, man. Let's see if we can come back, man. Down 940. Down 940. From 30 to 17, 14. 14 is what we got on the screen right now. Negative 14 is what we got on the screen right now, but I'm trying to push to go take out those highs. Let me get my 50 and so I can slide. There were a couple of times where I did want to just get out of the trade because I feel like losing money. Five. I feel like not even losing money because it wasn't a loss yet. We got some momentum though. We got some momentum to the. See, once we took out that Asian low, that's what I should have just been patient, bro. This is why it's important to be patient and wait for things to happen. And if they do not happen, then If they don't happen, then don't look for the trade, or don't try to take the trade. Don't try to force things to happen in this market, man. Especially if the only way you're forcing things to happen in this market is if you got the money to do so. I'm talking to myself, man. I'm still in drawdown, so I can't even get excited yet or anything. I see momentum is good, it's looking good, but not really enough to get excited. I'm down $7, -7. Damn, that is crazy. Let me get some love. Let me get some love. Not liking it, but not liking it at all. I ain't gonna lie. Let me see how it reacts at this zone right here. Back down, -$10. Its momentum to the downside is just very, very, very strong right now. Like this is a seller's market right now. I'm not getting what I want to get. Now this is where I might take my losses, bro, cuz this is this is playing with my emotions in a way where like, bro, I don't feel like having my emotions played with today. Like I'd rather just take a small loss than just not liking how the market. I already got my stop loss at down here, man. So hey, 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 violated my violated that. All I can do is just sit and be patient. All right, I'll be back. I'll be back in a second, man. Let's see what we get if we get anything. Hopefully, I'll be back. I'm about to go. All right, I'll be back. I'm about to go self-regulate. Still in the trade. Starting to go back in our favor a little bit. Let me clear some of this stuff up. Alright, so this no longer needed. I need this right here to get a candle closing above it though. I see they wicked above it, but they didn't close above it. I'm a little okay for now, but again, I need close above this. So they could just snatch away. Do I take small losses here? Take a $12 loss here. I don't like this. Don't like it. All right, we getting some momentum. Moving up. I need a close though. Let me get a close. Ah! That wick. Ooh. Let me get that close. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. What you got for me? 30 seconds. What do you have for me? Trade update. 20 seconds. What do you have for your boy? 10 seconds. What do you have for me? Can I get this close? This is the kind of close I was looking for. Can we keep that going? I just want to see if we can hold that. Let me see. This was the first move, man. That's a beautiful. Now we just need a break above this, because this was a strong. Let me see. Actually, before I say that, I need that 5 minute to stay up there, though. Yeah. See that? I need a break above that. This is a handle. Let's see what it does here. Take a small loss. Underneath that, I don't know. Price goes below that. I don't know if I can stomach the. I don't know if I can stomach that for the rest of the day. 5 seconds left on this 1 minute candle. I got a bearish close. I may take a. I may just take a small loss or cut. I'm gonna just cut this loss. I'm just gonna cut this loss. I get a body close below that. I'm definitely just going to take partial, partial, take a small loss and keep a little bit in. Got a wick, no close though. I got a body close below this candle that engulfed all of this. Just didn't get a close above that. Yeah, can't stomach that. What are they gonna do? Wicked? Can't. I can't stomach that. What are you gonna do here? We're down. Take the small loss, bro. Stop fighting the markets, gang. You do not have enough bread. Close the trade, bro. Take the $16 loss, bro. I'm talking to you. What's going on with this guy, man? You must see something I don't see, man. See a little wick, but still in. Still in, but I'm not liking it. $12 loss. Mm. Take the small loss. It's not going in your favor. Just take the small loss. Hmm. All right. My stop loss is down here. Let me see if I can set this up. Uh, I'll do this. Turn auto save off and just remove everything. Let me reset real quick. I'm about to get out of this trade. This shit is. I don't really like it with this. And it got. Nah, I don't really like that. For the buy, nah. But it did touch that area a lot. Broke the structure. Here, it just might not be ready for the buy right now. They've been going up for a little while. Crypto going crazy with Trump doing the new reserve. Multiple times here, multiple times here, even. Uh, I'm not liking that for the buy too much. Threw a lot of wicks. This is a bad trade. This is a bad trade. I don't know why I got, I don't know why I got so much hope for this trade, but structure wise, the way it's you know what's crazy? It's like even though it's a small account, I'm like practicing emotion at the same time trying to get rich for real. I mean I am rich, but could always have more to do better things, right? But imagine when you got a big account, like yeah, I'm gonna take my small loss. Gang. I ain't even gonna lie. Take my small loss, or I already got it set and just it's a small account. You gotta have disposable income for this. I should have got in first and then started the stream. I think that would have been way smarter. But $16 loss right now. Yeah, this is gonna be a L trade. So many times the market gave me so many opportunities. It showed me so many times. It showed me so many times. And I'm not upset at all. You know what it's about to do, right? So why not just cut my losses, take a small loss. Why not just take a small loss and then reposition? Why would you want to hold it and lose more capital all the way down here when structure is showing you it's not really trying to go back up? Trying to figure out you got closes on the 3 minute below this structure level. Close the trade, reposition. You're waiting for price to go above this and then go here. Bruh, close the trade. These folks are coming down here for their money. The money they've been making since down here. down right now, my boy. Telling you, close the trade, reposition. Nah, I'm not closing the trade. Nope. Set my stop loss. I set my take profit. I had to just think about it. Like, there's no need to close the trade. Whatever I thought about before the trade is what I'm about to experience and learn from. If I take a L on like 55, 60% on the account, it's cool. I'm high risk. The turnaround on this account, if we do hit our profit mark, is gonna be $100. If we lose, trade is gonna be at like 27. This is definitely a bad trade. I don't recommend anybody trade the way I trade. That's why I don't have classes or courses or anything like that. But yeah, I'm staying in this. Yeah, I'm staying in this. I got a strong feeling that they're gonna come and snatch this money down here, but I also feel like this is a strong support level because price broke above it, tapped it, shot up, came here again, shot up. It came back to this zone again. And then they gave you some good market patterns here, like with the wicks, and yeah. So, is this justification? Am I justifying the price movement right now to not get out of this trade? A little bit, but I also know like I'm cool. I'm cool with. I don't think I'm gonna be as high risk in terms of contract sizes when this account grows, or when I grow, or when I load up something crazy. Definitely gonna lay off on the risk a little bit. But for smaller accounts, I'm high risk right now. I'm cool. As long as I could take a trade. If I could take a zero point 0.1, no, a point zero 0.01, smallest contract, I'll be alright. But this price action, like showing the action of it is moving down, but we did get to this area where price shot up, didn't go above this, but shot up and it's playing in this area now. It did cause a little gap here. Where from here, So I got this here. It's all buyers here, no sellers here.
Mm, mm, mm. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, 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 mm.
It's real late in the day too, so like I said, there was a lot of price moved a lot today. Price moved price moved a lot today. I don't expect it to just, especially maybe not right now, but I still expect it to move, but so if we're see now if I had a bigger account, and I did over leverage a little bit today. I usually like to go with half of what I have in my account. So if I got $100 in my account, that's enough to do point tens. But I would probably do a point two or point five. For somebody like me, I need multiple accounts because I'm a risk taker for sure. So you got to know yourself. You got to know how what's your tolerance. So one account for one account, I would trade like, let's say you start off with $100 or $1,000, right? On a $100 account, I would literally do point ones for the long term, like your life, your family, your savings and investments and stuff like that. But on a high risk account, I would do like point tens, point 15, might point 20 for gold. That's for gold. I love gold the most out of all of them. I've taken the most trades in my trading career on gold. This ain't looking too good for your boy. Eh, ah, that's the get up out of there, gang. But I mean, I still got this here. I already told you I'm not getting out of the trade. I'm gonna just have to take the L. I'm just gonna have to take the L. I was watching the video of a trader yesterday, and he lost 19,000. He made 4,000 on the day overall, but he lost 19,000 because he took a trade. He took a trade. It went back to his. He was in profit. It did a little retracement, and then he moved his stop loss into profit when. I mean, he moved his stop loss a little bit closer because he didn't want to risk as much. Market went back up, hit his stop loss, took him out, and then hit his TP. He got back in. He made 4 bands, but originally he lost like 19,000. So he explained why, and if you understand why you take the losses, then you'll be good, man. Trust me. All right, so this we definitely gonna take a L on this. But let me show you what I wanted to see. So what I wanted to see was something like this. I missed. This week was I learned a lot this week. I had fun this week, but I see how much I need to slow down. Okay, so look, this was the first trade. I think this was last week. Yeah, this was last week. I seen this trade because this was the all-time high. Came and rejected. It came in and rejected to go higher. All right, so what's the price at? Ah, it is dropping. It's dropping. All right. All-time high. We started moving a little higher. Came down, tested that level. Did not break below that level. Retrace. Created a lower low. retested it, same structure, and then took out those lows. But then seeing that, all right, so this was the high for the day so far in Asia, low in Asia, taken out by the low in London. Never went back up to the high in Asia. But you see how price just keeps rejecting at this level? And then this is the impulse candle to start that move up, right? All right, hold on 1 second. We getting a call. What we got going, y'all? What we got going? Mm. Uh, Had to make some calls. We making some money today. We're making some money today. For the day, we're down 40 cents, but we're down 30 cents, but it's cool. Did we pay any bills today? We're making some money today. We got some marketing money coming in. I don't want to talk too much, y'all. I don't want to talk too much, man. I'm just about to be at break even, bro. I want to get in here or here. This requires patience. Letting it do this, coming back down, that requires a lot of patience and a lot of understanding of the markets. I could have got out when it took me out this when I thought this was the low and it took me out here. I could have got out when my nerves were going crazy here because I hated being man just. But right now we are looking okay. We're looking okay. Looking for that draw on liquidity. Honestly, they beat my nerves up so bad that I don't even care if I just get my 50 pips. Can I see it clearing this? Yes, yes. All time high, yes. For sure. But they did my nerves dirty today. I'll just take any profit. 50 and I'm good. It's trades. We stay. I stayed in the trade longer than I like to stay in trades. This was my trade right here. I just didn't see them take out the highs. Highs right there. I didn't see that get taken out. So I could have. This right here was my. Once this broke like this, that's why I wanted to get in there. And then look at these lows here. That was the trade I wanted. In and out. In and out. Bing bang. But instead I caught this thinking it was gonna go back up. Came down to complete this move. liquidated, and then bunched up and consolidated here. I'm still not in the clear though, guys. We did close above all of this, but I'm still not all the way in the clear. Clear. See how this just. And then look when we got in. Look, we were in profit. About 20 pips. This wick on the 15 is crazy. And I just closed bullish. Down $2 right now. Look like we can catch some of that on the way up, but still need to close above that wick. Don't act like this thing can't just turn on us. It's not our friend yet. Nope. They could go and turn on us and collect on all of that. They still got, uh-huh. But we are basically right back at break even. We are showing uptrend on the 1 minute only though. Nah, 2 minute too.
3 minute. Showing up trend. 5 minute. Showing up trend. I'm chilling. My stop loss is down here. But I don't like that pattern at that entry level. Could have took a sm- I could have took my I could have actually got out in very slight profit and repositioned. It's just not. It's not like this was a good entry anyways. What was I thinking? Because they still could come back down for this. What did Nas do today? Nas today. Never broke above. That's the only thing I see. You can either get in there. Took out London lows. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Damn, Nas is so smooth. One day.
Alright, y'all. I got some other shit to do for the day. I'm definitely done trading. I'm just gonna leave it in. Let it do what it does. Hopefully we hit our mark. TP hit. I wish. TP set. Stop loss set. Give y'all a trade update in a little bit. Deuces.